Today, we're making focaccia with the Prokan Kano Oven. Thanks to its precise temperature control and rotating pizza stone, baking has never been easier. Let's get started. First, turn on the digital controller and set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, turn on the motor for the pizza stone to ensure even heat distribution across your focaccia. Now that the oven is heating, place your focaccia dough on a tray and add your favorite toppings. You can get creative here. Place the tray in the oven and set the timer for 20 minutes. But watch closely, because the focaccia can be ready in as little as 6 minutes 30 seconds. That's what happened with my first try. And here it is. Our focaccia is done, perfectly baked. Look at that golden crust and fluffy inside. Let's slice it up. Making focaccia has never been easier with the Prokan Kano Oven. The precise temperature control and rotating pizza stone make sure it bakes evenly every time. Try it out and enjoy the simplicity of baking with Prokan. Prokan, built for generations of gathering.